Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to create invitations to sell on Etsy. Are you looking for a guide on how to sell invitations on Etsy? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. So, as you can see, we are on Etsy right now. And I know the prices are, not in USD, but let me convert that for you. As you can see, when you go to Etsy.com and go to the search bar on the top of the page and type in invitation, you're gonna see a lot, right? And I don't want you to focus too much on the price. This one is 261, almost 262 pesos in Philippine money. That's around $4, $5, a little bit over $5. And that's an electronic invitation. So this is probably just a PNG or whatever. That's or a file that you can edit. This is a bit cheaper. These are actually like paper or cardboard invitations. This is a little over $4. This is under $2, maybe $1.80, $1.75, maybe. Same with here, but as you can see, it's rated. This one is rated almost 7,000 by almost 7,000 people. This was rated by over 100 people, over 400 people, almost 600 people. So you can see there is a market for this. And the thing is, you can see, oh my God, look at those. Might be hard to make, but in reality, um, all you really need is one website, and it's very beginner friendly. It's easy to navigate, easy to use, and that is our very favorite Canva.com. So sign up, sign in to a free Canva account. It's very straightforward. It's very easy to do, and Canva is very easy to use. And let's talk about Canva Pro because okay, before that, let's on the search bar on the middle of the screen type in invitation, right? And you're gonna have a drop down of results. The ones that you want to see, you want to check out our invitation square or invitation landmark. So for this example, and you're gonna see the sizes. This is 14 by 14 centimeters. This is 7 by 5 inches. So let's click on the landscape because this is most of the time what people use for events when people are inviting people for like weddings or uh, showers or birthday parties or huge events, right? So as you can see here, these are invitation templates, and these are, I think, uh, new. I don't know why. Maybe this is something new for Canva. It's gold themed. Add some gold for a touch of refined sophistication. So we're gonna check that out later. So what I want you to see is that there's a lot of free stuff, but there's a lot of better stuff, better templates that are behind what we call Canva Pro. So if you oh by the way, you can also create your own. Just click on this and you're gonna have a blank canvas with the right specifications. As you can see, it's like a postcard like most you see options here on the left. And just click on upload on the menu on the left if you have your own like stuff. And you don't need to use Photoshop. You can just use Canva. It's easier. It's more simpler. Everybody can use it. So and you don't really need to study a lot about it. So yeah. Uh, right. So uh, if you see a crown on the lower right corner of the template, like this one, Princess Invitation Landscape, this one, as you can see, if you hover it, it's gonna show Pro. This crown, you remove it, it's just a crown, yellow crown, small yellow crown. If you hover it, it says Pro. It says upgrade to Canva Pro to access this template. So all of these that has this, you cannot use for free. You need to use Canva Pro. And then you have something that says paid. This template contains paid elements, so you don't need Canva Pro, but you do need to pay for the element. But if you have something like this, right? Click on this, and as you can see, It's a birthday invitation to the birthday party of Juliana Silva. So as you can see here, you can click customize this template. It's going to open another tab where you can edit the party. If you think this is what you want, remove the picture of this girl, which is a stock photo. Very adorable little girl, and just make it your own son, daughter, hey, maybe even your photo for this, and just change the names, change of course, the date, time, the address, right, and the information. So you can just remove that, delete, and just click on upload over here, and just upload the photo of your kid, of maybe a niece, a nephew, or maybe if you have a client, your client's family member, children, grandkids, niece, nephews, whatever, and just you can make this into your own. Like you can make, maybe change the color instead of pink, maybe yellow or orange or baby blue, whatever. And yeah, that's how you create these. And then once you're done, you can change these. Once you're done, you click share on the upper right corner, and there's going to be a option for download. Click on download, and you click download, and you're going to click, you'll be able to download the file for free, right? And then you can just upload, go to Etsy, open a store, and just create a new post. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. But before we go, I want to discuss Canva Pro. We are not sponsored. If you want to learn, and the reason why is because Canva is a really, like, if you're a small entrepreneur, if you work for yourself, you have your own brand, you try to launch your own like business. Um, Canva Pro is an all-in-one. You can create videos, and you can create different videos for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. You can create static posts. You can create, like whatever. And Canva Pro has a lot to offer at a very, very affordable price. So if you want to learn about that, click on look at here on the top menu and hover plans and pricing, and you're going to see Pro. Click on that. It's gonna give you the page of Canva Pro, and you have a free trial. You can try it for free for, I think, 30 days. And yeah, you can design easy, you can scale your brand, you can improve workflows, and you can work in one space, which I think it's very important. You don't go, oh, I'm going to use Photoshop, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to use Envato Elements. I'm going to use Premiere Pro, and I'm going to upload this on YouTube. Like, no, this is an all-in-one space where you could edit videos, edit posts, create posts, and upload them, right? And it also has AI tools, as you can see, is a Magic Write, Beat Sync, Magic Eraser, Translate, Magic Edit, Draw, Create Animation, so, and a lot more. And the yearly for Canva Pro is, this is Philippine money. Disregard this. This is around $60 US a year. If you want to go monthly, it's going to be $6, around $6 a month. And what you get is unlimited access to premium templates and 100 million premium stock photos, videos, audio. You can see this. There's a lot. This is so cheap for so many. Again, this is well worth it. You want to try it, go ahead. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.